The Relax tool makes a selected edge loop smoother. You can do this in small increments or set the iterations to a higher value to have a stronger effect. With input set to 2 parallel, the edge loop on the other side will also be influenced. Relax can be useful to make a messy edge loop more smooth. The Flatten tool, unsurprisingly, flattens a selection. Besides flattening along the normal axis, you can set it to View. Then it will flatten from the viewing angle. When you select these vertices and choose Space, it evens them out by equalizing the spaces between them.